Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can fix Safari app crashing on your iOS 18 iPhone. Don't forget friends, please subscribe to our channel and also please put your likes to this video and write comments. So, let us be with you friends. Let's get down to our videos. First of all, please open up the settings in your iPhone. And first of all, I recommend that you see if your iPhone is updated to the latest version of iOS 18.1 or .2, the version that's available in your region. To do this, in Settings, go to General, then select System Update Pause. And if you have the option to update here, please do. This is after which go back to back. Now scroll down and select the Apps section. Next, you will need to find the Safari app. Go to it. Scroll down the menu a little bit and select the option here, which is called Clear Website History and Data. After that, please clear the history preferably for the entire time. After clearing the history, I also recommend that you scroll to the very bottom, go to the section Additionally, Website Data. And if you still have some data left here, also delete all website data. And then test Safari on your iPhone. If that didn't help, then I recommend you to reboot your device. Very often, simply rebooting your iPhone can help in solving the problems. These are the methods, friends, you can use to fix Safari app crashes on your iPhone. I really hope this video has helped you. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give likes, and also write comments. See you soon, friends.